Hey guys, it's me Anika, and this is my first vlog after 3 years of not vlogging on YouTube and posting it on YouTube. So I got my V album a few days ago from today. I decided, so why not vlog this BTS album, the newest album, and show to you what is inside the album. So let's. Then you open it like that. This is the photo book. This is the contents. So let's set this aside first and focus on what we got here. This is a photo book where they have their photos and the one they got from photo shoot, that's J-Hope, and their photos. So on the top, on the cover of the book, we have "Life Goes On" and the lyrics of their lyrics of B. So once you open this, you can see there's two sides. There's this one's, and there's another one here. And the side is taped with glue. So when you want, you can open and rip out the page, and you can make it one of your posters. This looks so cool because I can have posters in my room now. Then next thing we have is the making book. Then we have photos. Oh my gosh, these photos that they took themselves, and the photo cards, and one Polaroid photo. So that's how it looks like. This is the making book where there's their handwriting and some photos of them too. Their notes and handwriting. That's a sleeping Jimin. And some photos they took themselves. This is, oh, there's a CD that comes out of it, and you can probably place it in your CD player and listen to some music. This is where you put some of the photos these photos that came with the album. You can put them here like this, and then close it as like a photo stand, and probably place it in your room like that. And this is the checklist. This is the checklist with a photo of them and some notes about the songs. Behind, it's also back to back, and there's their handwriting themselves. They wrote it. Their handwriting. They wrote it themselves. This is the lyrics of "Life Goes On," "Blue and Gray," and "Stay." There's a lot of tracks in the album. Then there's a poster that you can probably hang in your room. It's kind of big, so you can like have posters in your room and stick it on your wall and probably sleep while dreaming of them. So this, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Like, their handwriting, so you can read. The drawings, there's dynamite, there's the skit, there's not. So let's take a look at the making book again, because I am so obsessed with the photos. This is a photo of the members posing for a photo. This is Suga. Again, and as I saw it was his room, and with all the kinds of rooms that they wanted. This is Jungkook in his room with a lot of speakers like as he requested, and a lot more for the members. And again, in the photo, want to have a few photos, like for example you want to print, you just rip the page out, and there's a lot to it. There's a portrait, and like that. So guys, I am really enjoying this album and I can't wait to use it all around my room and have fun with it. And thank you to my tita for giving me this album, and I'm really excited to spread it around my room as photos and paste it on the wall. And anyway guys, bye, and I hope you all stay safe in this pandemic and follow protocols and keep safe with your family